In this question, we're given an original diagram and a scale diagram, and we're asked to find out what the scale factor is. So our scale diagram is much smaller than our original. So from that, we know that the scale factor has to be less than 1 because it got smaller. So we know that the answer for this can't be C or D. Our scale diagram is not twice as large, and it's definitely not 5 times larger than our original. So that leaves us with a scale factor of either 0.2 or 0.4. Now, to find out which of those it is, we would need to compare corresponding sides. So let's look at the length here of 17 centimeters and the length here of 3.4 centimeters. So we want to take the scale diagram length and we want to take that and divide it by our original diagram length. Now keep in mind that we want to divide the scale by the original, not the other way around. So if we do that, we get an answer of 0.2. So just to confirm this, that it wouldn't matter which sides we chose, if we look at taking the 1.7 and the 8.5, and if we divide those, we also obtain an answer of 0.2. The other thing that's really important to remember in an example like this is that all our dimensions here are in centimeters already. It's really important that when we're comparing corresponding sides that we have the same units. If we don't have the same units, we would need to convert to make sure that we do. If not, we would not obtain the correct answer of 0.2 for this question.